Although it has been in existence for barely a century, the township of Gretna has a remarkable heritage. There were originally 3 stations at Gretna, but these days only 1 remains, and this blue Pullman is pulling in to the current station at Gretna Green. This was the former station building of the original Caledonian Railway station at Gretna that was opened in 1847 and closed in 1951. This ScotRail service is heading along the West Coast Main Line through Gretna Junction and will be turning off to the left onto the Glasgow South Western Line on the approach to the current station at Gretna Green. Meanwhile, the West Coast Main Line, which veers to the right, continues for about a mile to Qunitinshill, where back on the 22nd of May 1915, the UK witnessed its worst ever rail crash, where 5 trains were involved in a collision on the Caledonian Railway, resulting in a huge fire and over 220 deaths, with a further 240 people injured. The First World War was to transform the fortunes of Gretna forever, when the parish was chosen as the site for a huge munitions plant. The site itself was huge and extended for 9 miles from Dornock in the west to Gretna and Longtown in the east, and the railways were to play a key role in moving both raw material and people around the site. For over 250 years, Gretna Green has been renowned as the wedding capital of Scotland. It became known as a place where runaway lovers could find refuge and marry, often against the wishes of their families. The railway played its part in bringing fugitive lovers across the border from England. Join me for a look at the fascinating history of the railway at Gretna in the next video.